In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Philips soundbar in case it's not working properly. So the first tip that I always suggest, even if the soundbar is turned on, is to go ahead and disconnect it from the power outlet, okay? Disconnect it, disconnect it. Disconnect the subwoofer as well, both the soundbar and the subwoofer. Wait around 30 seconds and then reconnect them again and try to see if your soundbar is now working. This is a simple trick that can fix many different issues. If you're still having problems, let me show you how to factory reset your Philips soundbar. This will also reset the subwoofer, so hopefully after doing this, everything will work as it should. To turn on the soundbar, press the power button, or you can also use the remote control if you prefer. So press the power button on the remote control if you want to do that. Next step is to put the soundbar in auxiliary mode. With the remote control, you simply have to press the AUX button, okay? And the light over here should turn green. If you don't have the remote, you can do the same thing using this button over here. So simply by pressing on it until the light over here is green. Now next, what we need to do is to press the power button of the soundbar for 5 seconds. So not with the remote control this time, you need to use absolutely this button. You're going to press it 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The light will flash red and then you can release the button. Right now the soundbar has been factory reset and it's in standby mode. Next, you're going to go on the back of your subwoofer and you're going to press once the pair button. The red light should start blinking once you have pressed the pair button. Next, you're going to turn on your soundbar with the remote or with the button on the back. And once you turn it on, automatically they should pair together. So just give them at least 15 to 30 seconds. If nothing is happening after a full minute, your subwoofer is not able to find your soundbar, what you need to do is to press for 5 seconds on the soundbar itself, this button over here, and the volume up. Press them both for 5 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then release. After you do this, fortunately, your subwoofer will be able to find your soundbar and they will be paired. All right. So again, wait another 15 to 30 seconds. Here you go. You see, it just stopped doing it. After around 10 seconds, the light is blue. It means they are paired. So don't forget, if they're not pairing, try to press the volume up and the button with an arrow. I don't know how to call it. The input selector, I guess, both for 5 seconds, and this will force them to pair together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment and leave a comment. If you have any other tips that you want to share, leave them down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.